Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto YouTube channel. Inside this video, I'm not going to give you any Pi network update, but I just bring a new platform for you. This platform works amazing. AI will predict the market for you. All profit directly will transfer to your wallet. How you can connect your wallet? How you can use the application? Step by step, I will show you inside this video. We will check the white paper, we will check its native token, we will check the platform. So make sure watch this video, make sure share this video with everyone and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Pi Network, Crystal Project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So welcome to PentaX. This is the white paper, the future of prediction market trading. Even checking the coin market cap, you can see this is all the cryptocurrency. Predicting the market is not easy. No one can do it, even especially the retailer, especially the beginners. If you're not expert, if you don't have experience, you cannot predict the market, you cannot trade, you cannot make money with trading. But PentaX, it will help you because the AI will predict the market. This is like easily you can make money. You can check the white paper. This is powered by PX3 AI trading engine, and this is the version 1.0. Inside the white paper, you can see everything, how it works, the vision, the trading engine, the system, the trading strategies, technical market opportunities, and then the roadmap. This project having its own native token, which is PETX. The supply is 1 trillion. Somehow in here, you will get the native token. Then you can use the native token as a transaction fee. So make sure check the white paper yourself because before starting with this application, before using the application, you must know how the application works. You must know what features are available, what things are coming in the future, what is the vision, everything you have to know about the platform before starting. So this is the white paper. Go with it, check it, you will get everything in here. So somehow you can see another information about PentaX, AI powered trading in the world of probability. The crypto market, the stock, the forex, this is all about probabilities. No one can be perfect. So the big idea plus market foundation, so market growth plus scale, and then here you can see some more details. If I scroll down, this is the intro. You can watch it, how it works. You can check this one. And then further, this is the profit, how much you will get. So beyond this, whatever, you will get everything about this. Even the Poly market, Poly market, which launched inside the Polygon blockchain. And you can check it, you can trust everything. Everything is usable, everything is traceable. You can trust it, you can check it. And this is the plan. There are 4 plans: flexi plan, 90 days cycle plan, 180, 360. And this is the percentage, the estimated return of investment. The short term, the quarterly, semi annual, and then annual. This is the structure. You can start with $30 and then up to you, whatever you can afford. One thing I should tell you, I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purpose. Make sure that's why I'm telling. Check everything before starting. And this is the strategy, how it works. You can check all the information in here. The market structure, smart money, volatility and timing. So I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to make it complicated. Simply we will jump to the application. Although the link is in the description, you can click on the link. So I will show you how you can connect your wallet, how you can start with PentaX on the application. So this is the application. I will give the link below description. So in here, simply click on open in wallet application. So make sure you have MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. It's up to you. So from here, you have to connect your wallet. Okay. So this is the application, PentaX. Grow your crypto wealth with PentaX. You can connect your wallet. Simply click on this. and then go with MetaMask. So I just connected my wallet. Okay, once you connect your MetaMask wallet, make sure you have fund inside your MetaMask wallet. It can be $30, $100 USDT. So whatever you can afford, make sure you have the fund is available inside your wallet. Okay, after that, you can check the home page, AI that trades the world probabilities, the next layer of financial market. Then furthermore, you can check the home page. So, and then if we go to the market, inside the market, you can see some more updates about the Bitcoin, about other updates, which is available in here. This is the thing, strategies. Already I invested $100. Active contract one. If I show you this is the ongoing, I just selected 1 year plan, $100, and this is the daily earning 0.41 cent, total earning 0.77 cent. This is the timing spread. You can see in here, this is the ongoing, and it is still zero. So if I show you about the participate, if you want participate on the strategies or the plan, so PentaX plan, flexi plan, this is for 1 day. You can try with 1 day. You can go with 1 day if you get experience, if you get well known about this platform, and then you can go with 90 days, with quarter, with the 1 year. So this is yearly profit, 15 to 18%. And even you will get airdrop. See, the native token, 5% airdrop you will get, which is good. About 90 days, about 180 days, you will get 15% the native token as an airdrop. With 1 year, you will get 40% native token with the airdrop somehow. In here, it's good. Once the native token launch in the market, who knows what will be the price? No one have any idea. So if you, for example, if you click on the participate, from here, simply go with like $100, and then you can just read everything. Click on the participate. Okay, click on this. Oh no. Click on the participate, and then you can participate in here. Make sure you have fun, because I don't have any balance. That's why it's not working. Already my one contract is active. So once you click on the participate, so you will start with this plan, and then you will get your daily income. Make sure you have fun inside your wallet. The minimum is $30, multiplies of 10 only. Okay, if I go back from here, you can go with any of this, like the third one. The minimum is 30, for example, 1000, and then click on participate. You can participate in here. The earning will be 900 to 1400. The daily earning will be $5 to $8. Okay, so this is how you can participate on the strategies. Even I can say how you can purchase the plan. Okay, and then if I go back to the portfolio, here you can see the portfolio here. This is the PentaX trade, which is live, the total trade, net profit, win rate, see everything. The win rate is 75.8%. So one more thing, if I show you under portfolio, if you come to the portfolio, and then if you scroll down, here you see close position, which is, it means that all the positions, all the trades is closed. You can see the profit, you can see the lose. And then if you go to activity, so in the activity, this is the ongoing trade. This is the first one, the second one. You can check any of this. Okay, simply click on this arrow button. Click on this in here. So it will show you the Polygon scan. Polygon scan is the scan of Polygon blockchain. So this project is working on Polygon blockchain. You can see all the transaction on the Polygon scan. You can trace the transaction. This is the wallet. Here you can see, and this is the amount, the gas fees, everything can find inside the Polygon scan. It means you can trace any of this. If you go with this one, you can see the address, you can see the transaction. If you go with the next one, in here you can see the transaction. Check in here, this is all the transactions. See, so everything is clear, everything is in front of you. And then the activities, you can invite your friends. This is the overview, you can check from here. This is the ranking, you can see from here. Even about the native tokens, this is the PETX, which is native token. This is the Technomics. You can see total supply is 1 trillion, and then allocation is 40, 40 million. Yeah. So you can see everything in here. So this is all about the PentaX, how you can use the application. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this? I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purpose. So search about this project, check this project. It is like AI will predict the market for you. All the profit directly will go to your wallet, and then you can easily, it will go to your MetaMask wallet. You can just transfer it to the BitGet, to the Binance, to any exchange. Okay, so smash the like button to new all-time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. This video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye. See you.